Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about modules. So first of all, we'll be looking at the storefront, and we have the My Account module, which can be divided into guest and user submodule. In this guest, we'll have login, forget a password, and create account child modules. So as the name implies, you can log in as a user as long as you have the user and the credentials, the account created, or if you don't, you can create an account. And in case you forget a password, you can type in your email to retrieve your password. Okay. And also for the user model, after you have logged in, there will be different things for you to look at. So we have the profile, billing and shipping, and the order history. Okay, so for profile, you can basically add information about a user like name, update password, change email, and for billing, you can add different billing address and billing methods like payments and credit cards to the user. And for shipping, it's pretty much the same idea. You can add different shipping address to a user, and also user can browse his order histories as well as details. Okay. And in this bookstore, we will see a book list module. So for this book list, we can have the search functionality, not very fancy, but basic search functionality to search different books. And we can add the book detailed information for each of them. And we can choose to add the book to shopping cart or not. And also we will deal with the book availability. For example, if you only have 10 books, less than 10 books, it will show that you only have 10 books. We only have 10 books in stock right now. So if it's less than, only have 0 books, we don't have any stock, it's gonna show it's unavailable. So we cannot deal with the logic like that. And for shopping cart, we have the cart item. So every item in the shopping cart can be considered a individual item module, and then we can modify the cart item, like change the quantity and delete it and things like that. And if we choose to check out, and then we will have the checkout process in the module, we will deal with the shipping address, billing method, and payment and order confirmation at the last. That's our storefront module. And then we have this admin portal part, which is deal with the administration for our book. So in the administration part, we will basically have a GUI of book list, and we can deal with book in terms of add book, update book, delete book. So this is a very basic management, but a good enough example for you to deal with the administration part. Okay, so those are the modules that consist of our project. So this is a very high level, and each module can spend a lot of time for you to develop. All right. So that's pretty much for this lesson. We'll continue in the next one. Bye.